For today's video, we will show you how to disassemble a system unit. First things first, remove your accessories. The system unit is the computer itself. This includes all internal components and the computer's case. The step 2 is remove the side covers by unscrewing it. So this is what you will see inside the system unit. Then, remove the SATA cable that is connected from the HDD. SATA, also referred to as Serial ATA, stands for Serial Advanced Technology, Attachment, an industry standard bus interface for connecting a computer's host-bus adapter to storage devices, such as hard disk drives HDD, optical drives and solid-state drives SSD. After that, remove the HDD. A hard drive or hard disk drive HDD is a type of data storage device that is used in storing all your digital content. Next is to remove the power supply unit and the connectors that is attached in the motherboard, HDD, and the optical disk drive. In order to remove it, we must unscrew it properly. Gently remove it. A power supply unit is a hardware device that converts AC electricity into DC electricity and then distributes it to the rest of the computer. The next one is to remove the optical disk drive and the SATA cable that is connected to the motherboard. An optical disk drive, also called optical drive in a computer, allows you to use CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray discs to listen to music or watch a movie. The next one is to remove the motherboard. Gently remove it from the system unit. A motherboard serves as the main circuit board in a computer, providing connections and support for essential components such as the CPU, RAM, storage drives, expansion cards, and peripherals. And now we must remove the heatsink with fan. And also gently remove the fan connector that is connected to the motherboard. So this is the heatsink. A heatsink is a component used in electronic devices to dissipate heat and prevent overheating. We already finished removing the motherboard, and now we will going to remove the CPU. Then watch carefully on how to remove the CPU properly. And I want you to remember that this is the proper handling and holding the CPU. The central processing unit CPU of a computer is a piece of hardware that carries out the instructions of a computer program. Then the next one is to remove the RAM from its memory slot. And look carefully in the video so that you will know how to remove it properly. What does RAM do? RAM allows your computer to perform most of its everyday tasks. Lastly, remove the CMOS battery. So what CMOS battery do? It provides power to the CMOS chip, which stores important system information such as the date, time, and hardware settings in the CMOS memory. So as you can see, this is all the main components inside the computer system unit.
And now we will going to assemble the system unit. First is to put back all that we removed in the motherboard earlier. As you can see, put back the CMOS battery. Then carefully install the CPU onto the CPU socket. Watch carefully, my friend, on how to properly install the CPU. You get it? Good. The next one is to install the RAM onto the memory slot. And now, we will put the motherboard inside the system unit by screwing it properly. And now we will going to install the heatsink and CPU fan into the motherboard. Don't forget to put the connector also. Then install the optical disk drive and screw it. The next one to install is the hard disk drive, and don't forget to screw it, my friend. After that, we will going to install the source of the power, which is the power supply unit. Then screw it properly. And now, we finally reach the crucial part of the assembling process, which is putting all the wires inside the system unit. That's why you must watch carefully and be observant. By the way, don't forget to put the SATA cable, because we almost forget it, he. Look carefully the proper placement of the wires, because just only one mistake there will be a chance that your system unit won't work. Finally, we are done putting all the wires in the proper placement. The last process is to cover the system unit and screw it. Hopefully this video will help you and gives you enough knowledge in assembling and disassembling a system unit. If you have any suggestion and questions, just message me, my friend, and thank you so much for watching.